Today, we will learn about taking risks, how to manage our risks with our best trading strategy and our best indicator. We will work on complex trading setups and talk about how to handle them. If you're okay, let's do this. Before even trading, let's take a look at the day first. As you can see, we have a strong gold today, but stock markets are on the weak side. Also, do not forget, stock markets were in the pre-market when I was looking at the charts. So at the end, world is a mixed bag right now. However, we have these extremely strong totals. After the mini crash, coins are getting their power back, especially today. The major coins doing really great. Bitcoin wigged the 90k and now powering up again up to 95k. And the dollar is really weak, as you can notice. So, all in all, by looking at this, I can say that we are in a really great strong day. A good day to look for long trades. Scalping was the interesting top gainer today. It was in the 5 top gainers and it was aiming for higher. When I look at the weekly chart, I can see that it was coming from a really long accumulation period. And with the recent elections, Donald Trump and Elon Musk, this coin also powered up. It was just a little bit late boomer. What was fascinating is this weekly imbalance point as our bias. It was riding to tap it. It was so powerful. In the daily chart, you can see that this coin used this inner daily imbalance for the last jump before touching the weekly imbalance. And if you look at the history, the patterns, it was using its daily support and resistance flip points to make the next jumps. All good and great. We have power and the bias. But how about the momentum? This triple imbalance point area was our last fuel station before the weekly imbalance point. Remember, more imbalance taps are better for us. So, what we are going to do is try to explore this area in the lower time frames and learn about different kind of entry models, risk management, and order organizations to make better decisions. Okay, let's observe this low time frame chart and educate ourselves on the progress. First of all, you can notice the nice liquidity gathered right below the weekly imbalance. I showed this many times, many examples in the masterclass. This is a great smart money trick. At the bottom, we have this large 5-minute imbalance and the deep order block. Plus, we have this nice support and resistance flip area. So, if you ask me, this was the best possible entry location to take an entry. But life is not sunshine and unicorns. Not everything works as we plan. If you get even closer, you can notice that price taps 5-minute imbalance, accumulates, sweeps the liquidity, and then breaks the structure. Finally, it rallies towards the weekly imbalance. What you see here is actually a small version of a power of 3 combination, which we learned about free trading lessons with many examples. However, in my opinion, this is a very tricky trade here. The bottom area confuses me a lot. So what can I do here? What kind of order and risk management that I can use? Option 1. I would use this gigantic 1.5 hour setup and cover my deep area. If I do this, I would feel really comfortable with a trade against possible pullbacks. because in this trade, in this position, we have a high risk of deep pullback here. What else can we do? Second option is our masterclass yo-yo averaging system. Nothing too big or complicated. For such a trade, I only look to cover the bottom area. So I would only need 2 positions, a simple average, to protect against me a possible deeper pullback. As you can see, strategies may change. They are only for finding ourselves an entry point. What we need to learn is our order management, how to divide our orders into pieces, and how to be clever about managing the risks. Because we do not know the future. We can only know and control our risks. Okay friends, this was a really good educational video. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.